Using Collocation Dictionaries. Unlocking advanced vocabulary. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we'll delve into the fascinating world of collocations and explore the powerful tool known as Collocation Dictionaries. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use collocation dictionaries to enhance your advanced vocabulary skills. So, let's get started. Before we dive into collocation dictionaries, let's quickly recap what collocations are. Collocations are word combinations that commonly occur together and create a natural and authentic use of the English language. For example, strong coffee, make an effort, or take a shower. Mastering collocations is essential for sounding fluent and native-like. Collocation dictionaries are valuable resources specifically designed to help language learners identify and learn collocations. They provide a wealth of information about which words typically go together, allowing you to expand your vocabulary and express yourself more effectively. The primary purpose of collocation dictionaries is to offer comprehensive lists of collocations for a particular word or phrase. These dictionaries categorize collocations according to their parts of speech, providing you with invaluable insights into the precise usage of words in different contexts. Using collocation dictionaries is straightforward, and it can greatly enhance your vocabulary. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make the most of them. Step 1. Choose a reliable collocation dictionary. There are several collocation dictionaries available, both online and in print. Ensure you select a reputable source that provides accurate and up-to-date information. Some popular online collocation dictionaries include Cambridge Dictionary, Macmillan Collocations Dictionary, and Oxford Collocations Dictionary. Step 2. Look up your word or phrase. Once you've chosen your collocation dictionary, search for the specific word or phrase you want to explore. Let's say you're curious about the collocations with the word opportunity. Step 3. Analyze the collocation entries. Collocation entries typically consist of the target word or phrase and its associated collocations. The entries often provide additional information such as the frequency of usage, example sentences, and sometimes even synonyms or antonyms. Pay attention to these details as they offer valuable context for understanding and using the collocations correctly. Step 4. Practice and internalize collocations. Once you've identified relevant collocations, it's crucial to practice using them in context. Engage in activities like speaking exercises, writing prompts, or even creating your own sentences. By actively using the collocations, you'll reinforce your understanding and increase your fluency. Congratulations! You've now learned how to use collocation dictionaries to unlock advanced vocabulary and improve your English language skills. Remember, collocations add depth and precision to your communication, allowing you to express yourself with confidence and authenticity. Make collocation dictionaries your go-to resource, and keep exploring the vast world of English collocations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.